Hi, this is Franco Viotto, and today I am by the company Spedo to show how to correct the bearings that are on the arms of the Plutone, and I'm going to show you what kind of tools we need.
Pistola pneumatica.
We have a pneumatic gun
Bussola 50.
with a bushing of 50 millimeters.
Un martello.
We have a hammer,
Un'ingomma.
a hammer, steel hammer, a rubber hammer.
Un giramaschi.
This is for threading.
Con maschio da 8.
The diameter is 8 and the thread is da quanto è il filo? 8 millimeters. We have a marker here.
Per bullinare.
Yeah, for making marking the position.
Non trattano.
And we have a drill.
Con punta da 6,75.
And the point is 675 millimeters.
Okay.
Okay, now we are going to show you how to proceed.
Vado?
So first thing, we are going to lose the bolt on the bottom. Taking off the pin. We are going to use operation with the machine on the ground. It has to be leveled. And now what we are going to do is to mark the position of where we are going to put to drill the hole for the greaser, for the nipple. Tuo nome sei? And Simone now is going to push down the bearings. And the bushing. What he's going to do now is to drill a hole for the nipple. Put some oil, you see. Okay, now Simone is going to make the thread. You know that you need always some oil. The thread is 8 millimeters. The next operation after being making the thread will be to clean with an air gun to be sure that there are no debris of steel. $8mm nipple. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to mount the new bearings. This is the most important part because the progress of the operation has to be done carefully this way. So the first thing that we are doing, we have put some grease. The grease is working as a glue. As you see, the bearing is separated we have a third part that we put at the end. And now we put that bushing inside, and the grease is working as a sort of glue. We put the first bearing in the bottom with the bushing facing inside. With a rubber hammer, we just put it in position. The next operation will be to insert the bushing or a spacer, whatever. And then on top of it, we're going to put the inside bushing of the bearing. Some grease again. This bushing is facing now inside. It's going to touch the spacer, the top of the spacer that we are just been putting inside. You see the grease is working as a glue. Put on top.
La parte lì.
Again, this is not a simple operation. Next, it will be to put the ring both on top as well as the bottom. For the bottom, again, we use the grease as a glue. And now we put in position carefully, because the next thing will be to insert the pin. Okay, now we are going to insert the original pin.
Chiave da 30, 34. Se no anche la chiave da 34, 36.
As you see on the pin, we have a side that is cut so that the pin doesn't turn. So what we are going to do is just position a little bit with a wrench. Yeah. So now the thread is free. So we can, with the pneumatic gun, we can again put back the nut. Okay, now we have to be two people. We have to be two people. One is holding the top, and the other is putting the bottom. Okay, by replacing the bearings, now we have been more than doubling the lubrication and the stability of the bearings. This operation has to be done on all the 4 pivot points. We are just been showing on one, and what you are going to do is proceed on all 4. The operation can be done one pin, one bearing at a time. so you can keep the position. This was Franco Viotto at Spedo in Italy.